Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Ring Cam Files. Please like and subscribe so my videos can get out to more people. Now let's see what they got for us today. Boston, Massachusetts.
Can help you. Hello, I can help you. Hello. How are you looking for? Hello. Hello. Hello, I can help you. I see you on the porch. I can help you. What do you want? What do you want? I can see you on the porch.
Where is that coming from?
What do you need it? Come to the front door.
Oh, hi. I'm all like, what
Hi,
the
what do you
hell?
need?
I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for my Uber.
For your
Code.
Uber?
Yeah,
Or
Uber.
you can stay on my porch.
Huh?
You can stay in my porch.
Why? Is there a problem? I'm just waiting on him.
It's a property. It's a private property. You can stay here. You don't live in my house.
I'm not being disruptive
You can
or
stay in
anything.
my porch. It's private property. Please, out of my house. Out of my house. I call the police.
Sacramento, California.
Hey! Give that back! That is my mail. Put it back right now. I don't give a fuck. Put it back. I have you on tape. Get away from my house. I saw you come to my doorstep. Get away, please. What the fuck?
North Hollywood, California.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, I got you on the ring, you fucking dumb motherfucker. Hey, I see who you are.
You need something, bro? Oh, I used to live here. Nah, but you don't live here now, so you need to get the fuck on. Alright. Yeah, and don't walk back here again, bro. Take your ass on somewhere.
Los Angeles, California.
Hey! Hey! Get out! Out!
Hey, what are you doing, man? Just chilling, bro.
He was over there in the fucking back. He was over there. Doña María.
We got the Medford, Oregon area.
Hey,
Oh, sorry.
what are you doing?
Oh my
Get off
gosh.
the property now. The police are on their way. Get the fuck out of here.
I was gonna ask you something. Never mind.
No, you weren't. We have cameras all over this property. Get out.
Good. What time is it? What time is it?
You can ask the cops. They're on their way. You are
Thornton, Colorado. You got some guys going through everybody's cars in an apartment complex.
Hey, can I help you? Hey, get the fuck out of here, you fucking pussy! Get the fuck out of here! Hold that seat.
Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This guy thinks he's slick trying to take people's chairs off their porch and checking their mail, or taking their mail if there was any.
Hey man, put that down.
This is Parkinson's house, right?
What's that?
Is this daughter Parkinson's house?
I don't know what you're saying, but leave that chair there.
Are you the new resident?
Yeah, I'm the resident here.
Okay, I apologize. I thought they left this furniture, okay?
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, you just gonna take my stuff? Oh. Yay.
No problem. There you go.
Yay.
Sacramento, California. This real estate agent forgot her keys or something. I don't know, but she drove on the homeowner's lawn and he wasn't very happy about that.
Hold on. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Why are you on my lawn? Why are you parked on my lawn? What?
I'm sorry, I left my key in the
So you
lockbox.
pull on
My
my
phone is in
lawn?
the house. And
So
I
you
couldn't
pull
hear
on
it.
my
So
lawn?
that's why.
Why?
Yeah, let me get off your
What
lawn. I'll
human
be right
being
back. I gotta go
pulls
back
their
in the house.
car onto somebody's lawn?
Because my phone, I couldn't get my phone to
God.
activate, so I can go back in and get my phone. Let me get off.
Fucking. Ugh.
Sacramento, California. Sacramento, California. You got these two over here plotting, trying to take somebody's car. Let's see what happens.